parents' house, and Jovi and I are up here. Davey had to work, so he couldn't come, but I had every intention of vlogging this entire trip to see my family, but I just wasn't feeling it, and I didn't want to be on my camera. So we spent 4th of July here. We went to Knoebels yesterday, which is like a local amusement park. And today we are going to Ricketts Glen, which is like a hiking trail, and they have a bunch of waterfalls. It's so pretty. It's like my favorite thing to do when I get home. So I'm here at my parents' farm, and I just love being here. It's so calm and peaceful and beautiful. But we are about to head to Ricketts Glen. We're gonna stop at a sub shop that we always get subs from. It's delicious. And then we're gonna go hike, and it's pretty hot, but it's in a shaded area, so it's a little bit cooler there, but I'm so excited. I know. Feels really good in the shade. No, you can't get down. This is so peaceful. We're like a quarter mile in and I'm already dying.
We're not even a quarter mile, sweetheart.
This is like 25 pounds strapped to my body. Pregnant. Mom's leisurely walking from the window to the to the pool. Okay, this is the tricky part.
But I worked on them, you know what I mean? That's another reason why I do the hits. They're so good. That goes up your arm. That's the chance of her slipping.
All right, upper trail we go. And back down we go. Grandma's taking a turn with Jovi, carrying the weight down the mountain.
I want to lose my balance with her.
She fell and hit her little head yesterday at Knoebels. She's got a nice little bruise. Right, sister?
Yeah. Like you just don't care.
It looks so funny. Oh, Jovi, can I live your life? We made it to the first waterfall. And
that was it for Mama Lindsay.
I know. Well, carrying a toddler on your back, it's a lot. Right, Jovi? And then she fell in the creek. I mean, we were playing, but then she fell in the creek and figured it was about time to come back down. Right? Yes. You know, you went to a country elementary school when there used to be a little pasture right there with a horse. Do you remember? And literally 2 hallways. And that's it.
You were filthy.
Pit stop before heading to the house. Jovi had to see her baby cows. What are they, Jovi? Try and pet them?
Yeah, me.
Go ahead, try.
I want to cow.
Up. There's the horse. We can't go back there. Hi, Axel.
It's a pretty horse.
See the horsey?
Yeah,
Whoa, he's so handsome. Horsey? Come on. Look at you, little country baby. Barefoot and in a diaper. She's gonna get you.
No. Don't let her eat your shirt.
Okay. She's gonna take you in there. Pet her head.
Hi, how do you right there?
The little cow. She's gonna
Cow. Hold me. Cow.
And the perfect way to cool off after a day of hiking. Hey, you gotta wait for mommy. You gotta wait for mama. Jovi, don't get in there. Wait for mommy. She's cooling off in the pool. And my mom said don't judge her pool. We know it's green, but it's very clean, it's very fresh. She's just still trying to balance out the pH and the chemicals and all that. So that is a work in progress. But I mean, we still swim in it. My dad built this pool, this in-ground pool, by himself. He like poured all the cement and framed it out himself. He put a pool liner in. So he is a very DIY guy. But we love it. And as some of you know, my dad's a farmer, so in the summers it gets so hot out in the fields. This is like perfect for him and my brother to just come in and jump in and cool off. But my dad has like a little fire pit over here with a view of the farm.
Half of the cow.
Mom is a master chef.
Yeah, right.
Happy.
No, she really is.
Happy's running the combine. Can you say combine?
And so yes, my mom has her own catering business, so if you're local to Central
Hey, can you
PA,
see combine?
she can make all this delicious food for you. I'll put her information down below. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what that is, but it looks
It's
amazing.
jambalaya with the spicy sauce, but and then the mussels I added extra.
We got salmon.
I want whatever.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Hey, this was not.
Okay. I never closed out yesterday's. Hi. I never closed out yesterday's vlog because after dinner, a huge storm rolled in. So for the rest of the night, we were just kind of hanging out at the house, and we went to bed kind of early. And Jovi and I are here for only 2 more days, so we fly home on Saturday. Today's Thursday. So we're just kind of hanging out. And yeah, we're gonna go catch some dinner with some of my friends from high school. That'll be about it because it's still raining here. So thanks for watching.